Hello, everyone. So we'll be solving this example from NCERT, Chapter 13, Class 9, Exercise 13.8, Question 10. The question says, let's read the question. Yeah, a capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5. So this is important information. So it's a sphere of diameter 3.5 mm, okay? And how much medicine is in mm cube? This is cube, okay? So whenever it's cube, you have to understand that it is volume is needed to fill this capsule. That means basically we have to find the volume of this capsule. So here we have to find the volume. Indirectly, they are telling us to find the volume. Okay, so what they have given us, let's find out what they have given us. There is a diameter of a sphere, which is 3.5 mm. Okay, and if the diameter is 3.5 mm, its radius is going to be, radius is going to be 3.5 over 2 mm. Let's keep the radius as it is instead of simplifying it further by dividing 3.5 by 2. Let's not do that. Always remember, whenever there is 3.5 in the question, keep it as it is. Do not simplify, because as you're going to use your pi as 22 over 7, you can see that this 7 is finally going to divide this 3.5. Okay, this is going to reduce our lot of work. You will see how I solve this example further. Okay, now we have the diameter, we have the radius, and how do we find the volume of the sphere? So volume of the sphere is given by 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, so let's plug in the values here further. So we write 4 over 3, pi will be taking as 22 over 7, and r cube. So it's going to be 3.5 over 2 cube. So here is a trick, guys, in the next step. What you're going to do is you're not going to simplify this by multiplying 3.5 times 3.5 times 3.5 and the denominator 2q as 8. No, we're not going to do that. What we are going to do is we are going to be very smart here to reduce our calculations as much possible, because in India, we do not use calculators. So just pay attention how I'm going to solve this. So we're going to do here 4 over 3 times 22 over 7. And I'm going to just write it as 3 times because it's cube. So here we have 3.5 over 2, 3.5 over 2, and 3.5 over 2. And now I'm going to show you how we're going to simplify this. So here, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 7 ones are, and this is 0.5. Okay, now you can simplify this further as 2, 2 gone, get 2, and this is 1, 1. Now, what do we have in the denominator is 11 times 0.5 times 3.5 times 3.5 over 3. Okay, so you see that here again, the work has become so simple. You should be remembering, because many times the radius or the diameter is going to be 3.5. So you have to always remember what is 3.5 squared, as this part is twice multiplying itself. So 3.5 squared is going to be 12.25, and this part 11 times 0.5 is going to be 5.5 times 12.25 over 3. So next what we are going to do is you have to just multiply 12.25, 5.5. Let's do that. It's going to be easy because 5 is repeating here. So 5 times 5. Here, 5 times 2 is 10, 11, 1, and 5 times 5, 6. So we are going to just repeat that thing here. We need not even solve it again. So here 5, 7, 3, 7, 6. And there are 3 decimal places, so it's going to be this. So your numerator is going to be here 67.375 divided by 3. So further we simplify this part by dividing the numerator by the denominator 3. So you're going to get here, let me mark it with green color. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Oh, sorry, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, and the carry 1 is going here. 3 fours are 12 here, 3 fives are 15, here 25, and 3 8 are 24. So you can round off 458 to 5. So your answer is going to be 22. If you're rounding off to the 3rd decimal place, or you can just round off this 58 and it becomes 22.46 mm cube. So this is going to be your volume of the capsule, or you can say that this much medicine, that is 22.46 mm cube of medicine, is required to fill into the capsule. So this should be your answer, okay? So I hope you understood how quickly we did it by not finding the cube of the numerator and by just keeping it as it is and simplifying it further. Always remember 3.5 square is 12.225 because 3.5, I have seen it has repeated itself in many of the examples. Oh, I hope you understood and enjoyed this question. All the best. Thank you so much.